Hello, my fellows. Stop losing potential sales and never let your customers forget products they wanted. In this video, I am going to show you how you can save your cart and buy later, a powerful feature that can totally change the way you shop online and boost your conversion if you are running a store. Instead of losing your intended item or cluttering your cart, you can now save your required product or items for later purchase and come back whenever you are ready without having to search for them again. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the plugins from your dashboard and then install plugins because we have to make sure that you have installed and activated the ShopBuilder plugin and the ShopBuilder plugin Pro for this premium feature. Then go to the ShopBuilder settings and modules. Then find Save Cart for Buy Later and turn this on to enable Save Cart for Buy Later. According to the general settings, you can customize your Save for Later text title along with the Remove Text title. For the Select Page setting option, you can select a page for Save for Later items page and make sure you add the shortcode. And here it is given. Let's copy it. Then go to the page to add a new page. Firstly, provide an appropriate title for this like Buy Later. Then click on this plus icon, find the shortcode and paste it here. Then click on Publish on the top to save it. Let's click on View Page to see this. Here you can see you do not have any products to be saved yet. For this, let's back to the settings. Then select your page option as Buy Later. And after that, you can enable or disable the Show Save for Later button on Product Page option. For Product Show Limit option, you can set your maximum number of products to display on the cart page, then save your changes. Now back to your shop page. Reload this first. Let's click on this product. And then you will get this single product page where you can see this premium feature as Buy Later option. Let's try the another item. Same for this. Let's click on Buy Later option, and by clicking on this, your product has already saved. Let's back to your Buy Later page. Reload this page first. And here, your all saved product has been displayed for Buy Later, along with where you can proceed your next step. Now let's back to the settings again and go to the visibility settings option, where you will get several fields option for your saved items table, fields visibility. Save your changes. Back to there again. And here it is. For example, product variation, saved price, current price, stock status, quantity, etc. If you further want, you can again also disable or enable any field options what you prefer. After that, save your changes and let's back to there. And here, this is the difference. If you further think you do not want to display your product thumbnail, then make it disable and save it and go to the page again. Here, your product thumbnail has disappeared. Now let's back to the settings again and go for the style settings, where you can customize your button background color, from this color picker and save it. Let's see how the appearance now look like. Here it is. If you further want, you can also customize and set your button hover background color from their color picker. Let's save and see the difference here. Now let's click on this if you want to save this product, or if you want, you can remove this item from your cart list. And this is how you can use your Save Cart for Buy Later module in the ShopBuilder plugin. Thank you for watching this.